We're out here in Addison, Texas today working on this 2021 Ford Ranger. Just finished doing the install of the LEDs in the headlights. Low beam headlights. We have them for lows, highs, and the fog lights. Did the third brakes. And we also have the license plate. On a previous day, we came out and did a remote start. Didn't get a chance to do a video, so we're doing it today. We hit the lock button 3 times on the factory remote. And it cranks the engine. LEDs, headlights, fog lights. License plate, third brake, reverse, interior. We have them in white, red, blue, green, and pink. Remote starters, either aftermarket or to the factory remote, and window tinting. Give us a call, 903-804-7661. This is a 2021 Ford Ranger. Luces LED, encendido de motor y polarizado. Denos una llamada, mándenos texto 903-804-7661. This one's all set and ready to go in Addison, Texas. We'll see you guys later.